Hey guys, I partner with Cricut and I'm sharing how I'm personalizing some things around our home. Cricut is a smart cutting machine that allows you to create personalized projects with hundreds of materials. It works with a software called Design Space that comes free with your machine. This is where you can create your project and browse from hundreds of images and fonts. And once you've created your design, Design Space will send it to your machine to cut. Manage your material better with a roll holder. It holds up to a 75-foot roll of material. It's easy to set up and it also has a built-in trimmer to assure a straight edge every time. No cutting mat is needed, just load and go. We are in need of a drop station in our entryway, and I've upgraded to a chest of drawers to store all of our electronics and everyday essentials. This is my side, naturally. I keep it tidy, but the hubster not so much. His drop zone is anywhere in the house, and when he needs anything, he wastes so much time trying to find what he needs. This drawer is perfect. One side is mine and the other side is his, and I'm using this acrylic office tray so he can contain his items and find them when he needs it. Let me show you how. Go on your desktop, tablet, or even your mobile phone and head on over to Cricut Design Space. It's a suite of tools to create, modify, and personalize all of your Cricut projects. Choose whatever machine you're working on. I'm creating images on the canvas using my Cricut Maker 3 to put inside the tray I showed you guys earlier. I'm measuring the compartments to make sure the size is right. I get my measurements and then I size it in the canvas. I choose all of my images and group them together for cutting. Once your size is where you want it, click the green Make It button in the upper right corner, and it wants to know with or without a mat. I'm choosing without a mat. Click Done, and I'm positioning my image. Next, set your base material. I'm using Black Smart Vinyl Removable. I'm loading my paper into the roll holder and start creating. Since installing our new workstation sink, we use it now more than ever. I've also added additional accessories and I had to make room for all of them inside this small cabinet beside the sink. All of the cutting boards are organized with this pan organizer, and I've added peel and stick organizers to keep our food prep supplies and tools inside. The large bin is where I'm keeping my veggie wash inside and I still have room to grow. The smaller, longer bin is perfect for storing my veggie brushes. I'm peeling the transfer tape off, and then I placed it on the container, and now I'm using my scraper tool to smooth out any air bubbles. This cabinet is super important because we have friends who like to come over and cook for us on any occasion, so this was done especially for them. I've tackled my cutting board situation. Now it's time to tackle under my kitchen sink. Under many of our kitchen sinks, space is so limited, but if you have the right containers and of course labeling to put items where they need to go, it can be life-changing, you guys. Let me show you how to make it easier. I'm repeating the same steps I did prior using the Cricut Maker 3 to create my under the sink labels. Go into Design Space, go under Text, and create your labels. And choose any font style you desire. They have so many that you can choose from, you guys. You can make any labels you want on the spot, and you can make as many as you like on the spot. I'm grouping them together so I can cut them all at the same time, which saves you a lot of time. And I've chosen the permanent vinyl because I don't plan to do this again no time soon. Start fresh by removing everything from under the sink and add something to protect the base. In case something spills, I'm using this $5 floor mat that has a rubber bagging to protect the base, and it's perfect color for the upcoming spring season. Here's a helpful hack. Use a large bin to store your garbage bags. Loop the first bag through the handle and makes the perfect dispenser. Store extra bags inside the other compartment. They are also stackable. Bin organizers fit perfectly inside a large bin containing everything together. A dedicated container is being used to contain all of my glass top cleaners. Everything is contained and easy to get to. Divider bins are definitely my go-to for anywhere in the house, but it's great to contain those smaller items like your sponges, microfiber cloths, magic erasers. Drawer systems are perfect. This way you're not reaching in the back of the cabinet. I hope you all were inspired to get your home spring ready. I will be leaving a clickable link to Cricut for your shopping convenience. And I want to thank you all for watching.